Oh, this is Victor B on the financial news. Anyway, people have been asking me about, is there going to be a recession? Seeing inflation and prices of gas going up on a daily basis. What is going on? Well, they're trying to do something. The mainstream media talks about what the Fed's doing. They're trying to increase interest rates to slow down the economy, but we both know that is not the full news, that is just part of the news. There are some things that the media sometimes cannot talk about because it's not politically correct. So, what do I think is causing a lot of these issues? Well, sanctions. When you restrict trade and the flow of goods slow down, and what happens is you're playing around with supply and demand. And supply and demand is a very, very powerful rule. And when you decrease supply, you're going to have prices going up. And the problem is when prices go up and companies have to bear those prices, their profits are going to come down. And when their profits are going to come down, the stock market's going to suffer, because people base the value of a company based on its profits. And when profits come down, the stock market's going to go down, and inflation is going to increase, which is going to eventually create a recession. I can't guarantee it, but some people say it has already started. In some countries it has. In some countries, well, we can delay it a little bit. You know, we're a big country, we're powerful, and we can withstand a little bit more than other countries and some of the smaller countries, but it seems to me like a recession is coming. You know, sanctioning some of the largest countries in the world, some of the most populated countries in the world, creating wars, it's going to take an effect. And when a company like McDonald's abandons over 1,000 stores to help with the cause, as you would call it, or the sanctions, what happens is a company's actually losing money. They're giving up part of their sales, part of their assets. So a lot of other companies did that. That's just one company. There were hundreds of companies that did the same. They gave away assets, or they sold them at very, very discounted prices. And what's happening is you have damage to the stock market, because the stock market represents the companies that run this country and even part of the world, because some of these companies are worldwide companies. Anyway, this is Victor B, and if you have any comments, please make them and I will address them somehow. Victor B on the Financial News.